everyone, hope all are safe and healthy. Today's topic is on tea. I know everyone likes tea, especially when it is raining, a hot tea is soothing. But the tea what I am going to talk today is not the milk tea which we prepare with the tea leaves. It is a tea which we are going to prepare with the spices and herbs which is available in our kitchen. When we look into the method of preparation, it's the same for all the tea. For preparing 1 cup of tea, just take 250 ml of water and add all the ingredients mentioned and just boil for 5 to 7 minutes. That's it. It's so simple to prepare. One good thing about this tea is it doesn't contain caffeine in it. If you think when to have this tea, then well, you can have it either in the morning or in the evening just by replacing your normal milk tea. And especially if you are in weight loss plan, this tea is an excellent option to replace it. When you are replacing it with your normal tea, you can reduce up to 50 to 100 kilocalories per day. And one more, this tea can be had by all age groups. Mainly children and elders, it helps to boost their immunity. But each tea has its own health benefits. Let's see one by one in detail. Don't skip the video, watch till the end. This is coriander tea. This tea is made with coriander seeds, ginger, jeera seeds, pepper, honey. So the benefits, if we see, it helps in digestion, it relieves gastritis, it relieves body pain too. Many researches have been done on this tea that telling that this tea helps in relieving the body pain. So whenever you feel like slight body pain or headache, you can consume this tea. It is definitely going to help you. And also it can be had after a heavy meal as it aids in digestion. Next we see about the drumstick tea. This is very important tea for women, especially who are anemic. But drumstick is not available in all the season. So during the season, you just buy some 4 to 5 bunches of drumstick leaves and then you can dry it in the shade and preserve it. So this is how I have preserved the drumstick leaves to use throughout the year. The drumstick is a rich source of iron, as I said you before. It increases the hemoglobin level and hence increases the immunity. Since we extract only the decoction from the leaves and we filter off the fiber from it, the absorption of iron is easier for our body. I have seen many of my anemic patients improve their hemoglobin level by drinking this drumstick tea on daily basis at least for a month. Also, we are adding jeera seeds in that, which helps in digestion. This is turmeric tea. If you are making it with pure organic turmeric, then it is well and good. Along with turmeric, you can add ginger and pepper to make this tea. If you see the health benefits, turmeric is considered as an immunity booster in Ayurvedic medicines that we all know. It's anti-inflammatory. It reduces the risk of cancer because it has the compound called curcumin in it. Lemongrass tea. The flavor of the lemongrass is really refreshing. If you are in a bad mood, then this is the right tea to have. It's going to refresh your mind. It is made of lemongrass, ginger and honey. If you look into the benefits, it is a refreshing tea. It's good for digestion as it has a compound called citral in it. In ancient times, Chinese medicine used it for stomach ailments like bloating, indigestion, etc. It is also packed with antioxidants, hence it is also a detox tea. It reduces your blood pressure as it's high in potassium. Tulsi tea. Tulsi is well known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It helps to prevent from cold and flu. As we add pepper to that, it further increases our immunity. It is the best tea to have when you have a common cold. Let's bring back our old tradition of using herbs and spices to cure various ailments.